The Markets widget lets you navigate the different markets across all supported exchanges quickly. For each market, you can see its current price, 24-hour volume, and a 24-hour price change. Please note that some columns might be hidden depending on the widget width on your screen. The list of all markets is pretty big, but we have a lot of ways to simplify the search. By default, you see all markets from all the exchanges. But if you want to see markets from a single exchange, simply select the one on the left column. If you have a specific coin or market in mind, simply type in the market name in the search input. Market columns are sortable. You can just click the table header to sort the markets by name, price, volume, or price change. You can also right-click any of the markets to open a menu that allows you to open this market, which will then replace the currently open market, open this market in a new tab, copy the market name, add the market to the watchlist, and assign the watchlist tag color. At the top of the widget, you can find two more tabs, Watchlist and Recent. Watchlist contains all the markets that you have added to a watchlist and lets you filter it not only by exchange, but also by color. The Recent tab contains your 20 recently opened markets, so it's easy to get back to the market if you accidentally closed it. This is also helpful if you jump between different computers or switch from the mobile app to desktop or vice versa.